Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on start, after click on settings. After click on ease of access, and after left panel here scroll down, click on keyboard, and here option use toggle key. So if you want to enable or on, so select to on position, that is. And guys, if you want to off or disable, so select to off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.